Welcome to Activity 43. In this activity, we will be developing fluency writing numbers up to 29 that have been partitioned using place value into tens and ones. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each linear bond block from 1 to 10 and 2 additional linear tens. If you have purchased original boards, please be sure to place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. Let's begin. Player 1 goes first. They flick the 10 spinner and then the 1 spinner. And they say 1 10 and 3 ones. And they pick that up. 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. And they write 13. Player 2 has their turn. And they spin 2 tens and 5 ones. They place their 2 tens in the tens column and their 5 ones. And they say 2 tens and 5 ones is 25. For this round, player 2 built the greater number, so they circle that for the win. I'm going to model one more round for you. Player 1 spins 0 tens and 8 ones. So they pick up no tens, but 8 ones. And they say 0 tens and 8 ones is 8. Player 2 has their turn. They place and then they say 2 tens and 9 ones is 29. And again, they won that round. Clear the board after each round. Now it's your turn.